Here we are at Los Rodriguez Tire Shop, 24 hours a day, getting our tire fixed. This is like the 5th time we've been here in 6 months. He's got the tire in there, putting a patch on. And we're in the heart of Brooklyn here, 39th Street, 38th Street, and 3rd Avenue. That's the Gowanus Expressway up there. And that's that. We'll be heading home right after he's done. $25 for a patch. Such a deal. Boobala, hello. Interestingly, this is a place on the Gowanus 39th Street exit. You can only exit, you cannot enter. See, here's the ramp coming down. All the way down into, I guess, would be 2nd Avenue. All the way down there, there's the Brooklyn Navy Yard down that way. And what we got to do is go up to 3rd Avenue there. We're going to have to ride under the Gowanus, make a right. We're going to have to stay under the Gowanus all the way to the Verrazano Bridge. Alright, he's almost done with the tire, I think. Yeah, it's like 12 o'clock at night, 11 o'clock at night. This guy's open 24 hours a day. Cabbies come here, everybody comes here. This is, like I said, the 5th time, at least in 6 months. Alrighty. Josephine loves it. Just takes a ride.